Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to purchase and host a domain name. So first, before we begin, what is a domain name? A domain name is simply your website name, and it's also the address where internet users can access your website. Whatever your business name is, that should be your website name. Like my business name is Web Empire, so I'm using webempire.com.ng as my website name. If your website name is Digitweb Technologies, then it's advised that your website name should be digitwebtechnology.com or digitwebtech or digitweb. Secondly, what is hosting? This is the server that allows your website to be seen by people via the World Wide Web. Without this hosting, your domain name or your website would not be seen at all. So whenever you're buying a domain name, it's advisable to buy a hosting alongside it. And it's also good to buy both of them together, not separately, because if you're buying together, you spend less. So thirdly, we're going to be looking at domain registrar. A domain registrar, sometimes called a DNS registrar, which is the short for domain name server, that is this DNS, is a business or company that sells domain names and handles the business of registering them. Example of this domain name registrar are qservers.net. We also have Namecheap.com. This qservers.net is a Nigerian company, while Namecheap.com is an international company, and most people prefer Namecheap.com. We also have others like Host, Bluehost. We have so many of them, but people prefer Namecheap. Lastly, we're going to be looking at domain extension. What is a domain extension? A domain extension is the suffix at the end of a web address that specifies an internet category or the country code of the location the domain is from. Example of this domain extension are .com, .net, which is network. We also have .ng, we have .com.ng, we have .biz, we have .io, we have so many of them. So I'll be showing you all these along the line. So let's dive in. Go to your web browser. We'll be using this qservers.net and Namecheap as case study. So we'll go to our browser and let's enter qservers.net. Okay, so this qservers.net, as I said before, is a domain registrar. So if you want to buy a domain name, you can come to qservers.net here or namecheap.com. So let's try qserver first. Here we have to search for the availability of the name we're going to be using. You know, your business name might be Photocrib, and you know it's advisable to use your business name as your domain name. So let's try Photocrib if it's available. Photocrib.com, and if you search and it's not available, all you have to do is to tweak the name. Okay, as you can see, Photocrib.com is already taken. If if you still prefer this name and you don't want to tweak it, you can just change the domain extension. Here we have so many domain extensions. You see .ng, .com, .net, .org, .info, .tv, so many. So you just have to choose. Let's see .com, .ng. Though their prices differ. So let's try .com.ng. Okay, congratulations, photocrypt.com.ng is available, and this is the price for 1 year. 1 year is the minimum. Yes, as you can see, 1 year is the minimum, which is 1,000 naira. Quite cheap. It's not as expensive. Let's try .ng and see. Okay, .ng is available, and as you can see, the list for a year is 3,500. Let's check order. See, 2 years 18,000, 3 years, this is the price. The extension you use will also determine the price. Let's see, I'm looking for something that looks cheaper. Okay, let's try this .club and see. Okay, you see, .club, photocrypt.club is available, but at this price, 10,300 for 1 year. So let's go back to our dot. Okay, I was talking about tweaking the name. If .com is not available, let's try and put photocrypt with double B. This is where tweaking comes in. Put double B and search. That is, if I really want to use .com as the domain extension, then I'll have to tweak this. This is photocrypt.com. You see, it still sounds like my business name, photocrypt. So you see, this is available for 5,700. So let's leave this. You can choose any one. Then you scroll down and hit continue. Okay, so once you hit continue, please make sure you register. You come here and register. You see, I have one order in cart. You can just take your time and glance through this. So we've put the domain name in the cart. So we'll come here for hosting. You click hosting. Then you see various kinds of hosting, but what we want is website hosting. So you click website hosting. Then these are the hosting plans. They have that of starter plan, which is 7,000 per annum and 700 naira monthly. We have business plan, 12,000 per annum and 1,200 monthly, down to mega plan. So, and each of them have their advantages and disadvantages. You see, the starter pack, which is the cheapest, has 2 GB storage, 8 GB bandwidth, free .com.ng, then free SSL certificate. Just go through this. Then 5 subdomains, 0 add-on domains, which means you only have one website here. Then 1 packed domain. These are what they are offering in this package. So you click on order today. So I want the starter pack, so I'll click on order now. Okay, take note of this. It said fake or incorrect client details, fraudulent domains, Ponzi, peer-to-peer money doubling sites, cash group helper sites, bank loan sites, cryptocurrency sites, Bitcoin sites, fake courier and oil job sites, UAE sites, or any other site's content that violates our terms of services will be suspended without any payment refund. So you have to think twice before purchasing. If what you want to use this website for is stated here, please do not go ahead with this. So let's continue. Okay, use a domain already in my shopping cart. Yes, continue. That is, we are using this domain for this starter pack. Okay, here you're asked to choose if you want the monthly plan, the quarterly plan, semi-annually, annually, biannually, triannually. So you choose the one you can afford. These plans are for the hosting. All these are for the hosting, not the domain. The domain is already 1 year, which we've added to cart. So all these are for the hosting. And once your hosting expires, your account will be suspended. So you check your pocket and know the one that suits you. Then once you've confirmed whether you want quarterly, semi-annually, or monthly, you click here is your order summary. Then you click continue. Okay, you see we still have 2 in cart. Click on continue. So here we have the total amount you to pay, 6,880 naira. That means we're buying a domain for 1 year, which is 5,700, and a hosting for 1 month, 700, which amounts to this, and VAT, of course you have to pay for VAT, which is this. So you just go through this, then you set up the payment method. You can choose bank deposit or transfer or InterSwitch Web Pay. I usually advise this InterSwitch Web Pay, so you just pay online, you don't have to stress yourself. So after that, after you've selected InterSwitch Web Pay, you come and check this box, I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Check the box, then you click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, an invoice would be shown to you. Yes, this will be your invoice. Then you select, since you've selected InterSwitch Web Pay, then you come here, click on pay via GTP. Then it will redirect you to where you put in your card details. Yes, you enter your email address here, then you continue transaction. This is where I will leave you on how to buy a domain name and hosting from QServer. So let's jump right into Namecheap. So you enter Namecheap.com. okay, Namecheap.com. Both of them are similar. If you're buying from Hugohost, Bluehost, so whichever you're buying from, it's just the same process. Okay, let's try our photocrypt.com. Photocrypt.com. Photocrypt.com is loading. Okay, you see, this is, since it's international, we have $8.98 for photocrypt.com. This international domain registrar doesn't have .com.ng, so please take note. If you are looking for .com.ng, you won't find it here. And these are the prices. photocrypt.com, this is it. Then photocrypt.xyz, yes, $1 per year. Cheap, right? Then here we have photocrypt.io, $32.98. You scroll down, you can just glance through all this. Let's see this one with $64. photocrypt.so, nice. We want this. Let's add to cart, just as we did on qservers.net. After adding to cart, we'll come to hosting, and you see various hosting type. So we select shared hosting. You see, I have one order in cart already, which is that domain name. So here are their plans. This is the yearly plan. Let's go to monthly. Okay, this is the Stellar Pack also. These are what they're offering under the Stellar Pack. 3 websites. That means after you purchase your own website, you can add 2 other websites to this, which means you don't have to buy another hosting plan for 2 extra websites you want to build. So, and they have 20 GB of storage compared to qserver that has 2 GB. Then free CDN. So you come to the popular plan, which is this Stellar Plus. This is the popular plan because you have unlimited websites for $5.88 and unmetered SSD, that is unlimited SSD. You also have free CDN, then auto backup. You see that between the 3 of them, this is better. This one is better. So you go to the yearly plan, same thing, you go through it. Then the 2 years plan, you go through them. So let's go to monthly plan and select this, get started. So it's asking domain name connection. Is it a new domain or existing domain? Let's say we want it as a new domain. That's the purpose of this tutorial, buying a new domain. So you leave it there, it's already selected. Okay, new domain name. Okay, the domain name is already in cart, as you can see. Then billing cycle, we already choose our billing cycle, which is 1 month. Here it is. So let's add to cart. This is the total price of what we're buying, $13.04. So add to cart. Okay, please do not forget to sign in or sign up. If you're coming here for the first time, you sign up. Then this is our subtotal. So all you have to do, cross check these if what you have here is correct. So you just cross check if it's correct, or you have a promo code. You apply your promo code and you confirm order. So I'm asked to log in. So just click successfully logged in. Okay, you can go right ahead and put your details here, your card details. You can add new card, put your name, then the card number, your billing address. All these are self-explanatory. So once you're done, you just come right here and click on continue. And once you click on continue, you're on your way to successfully purchase your domain name and hosting. And please kindly note that after you've purchased your domain name and hosting, you will be sent an email of your password to log into a cPanel. Now, next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to go about your cPanel, what you need to do to set it up so that your website will be up and running. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure you like and share this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click the subscribe button below this video.